Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how to freeze frame in Adobe Premiere Pro. So, let's get into it. First of all, let's navigate to Adobe Premiere Pro and open it. As you can see, I have already opened it on my PC. To start the process, let's navigate to the Media tab and double-click to open the media library. Select the file and click on the Open button. Once the selected file is imported into the Media tab, drag it onto the track, and it will create a new sequence. Zoom in on the timeline to get a detailed look at the video track and play the video to have a preview. Once you find the point where you want to freeze the frame, right-click on the video clip, and from the menu, select Insert Frame Hold Segment. You can see that the video's frame is magically frozen on the track. You have full freedom to resize it on the track by stretching from the sides according to your need. There is another way to do this. Press Ctrl+Z on your keyboard to undo the changes. Again, set the timeline on the video segment that you want to freeze. Once selected, under the Video Preview tab, find the camera icon and click on it. Enter a name before saving it, and select a format from the drop-down menu. Checkmark the option if you want to import this frame into the Media tab, and then click on Browse to select the destination where you want to save this frame. Once you are all done, click on OK. The freeze frame is successfully imported into the Media tab. Drag it onto the track and adjust it according to your need. And that's it. This is how you can freeze a frame in Adobe Premiere Pro. If you found this video useful, please show your support with a like. Your feedback is invaluable to us, so feel free to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comments section below. We're eager to hear from you.